Today, we're diving into the secrets of getting fair, bright, and glowing hands and feet, naturally. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. So, let's get started. Many of us strive for that even skin tone, not just on our faces, but all over our bodies. And while there are countless products promising instant results, we're focusing on natural remedies that you can easily do at home. First things, let's talk about why our hands and feet often have a darker skin tone. It could be due to sun exposure, environmental pollutants, or even the buildup of dead skin cells. Here are some secrets of getting fair, bright, and glowing hands and feet, naturally. Number 1. Exfoliation is key. Regularly exfoliating your skin can remove the dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin underneath. You can make a simple scrub with ingredients like sugar, honey, and lemon juice. Gently rub it on your hands and feet, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse off. Number 2. Hydration. Keeping your skin moisturized is essential for a healthy glow. Apply aloe vera gel or coconut oil to your skin before bed. These natural moisturizers will work their magic overnight. Number 3. Natural lightening agents. Foods rich in lactic acid, like yogurt, can be applied to the skin to help lighten it. Just apply a thin layer of plain yogurt to your hands and feet, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. And finally, always remember to protect your skin from the sun. Use a good sunscreen during the day, even if you're indoors. There you have it, folks. Simple, natural ways to get fairer, brighter, and glowing hands and feet. Try these tips out and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep glowing naturally. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for beauty and health tips.